pressure to hit revenue targets. Now keep Kimboy, KTN News.
So now Britam Holdings PLC has today announced a profit before tax of 2.3 billion shillings for the half-year period ending 30th June 2023. Now the profit almost triples the 812 million shillings recorded in the same six-month period ended at 30th June 2022. According to Britam, this performance has been driven by growth in revenue as well as improved investment income, resulting in an improvement in profitability. The total gross earned premium and management fees in the sixth period was up by 31% actually, to 20.7 billion compared to the 15.8 billion shillings for the same sixth period in 2022.
If you start off with exchange rate, the dollar has strengthened against pretty much all our regional countries' currencies. The Kenya shilling has depreciated almost 14% in just 6 months, and the outlook is still not clear. Although the Ugandan shilling and Tanzanian shillings have held, they have also performed better than us in terms of currency inflation. It is still a headwind. Inflation has performed better, especially here in Kenya. We've seen a reduction from back end of last year, but it is still significantly high at 7 to 8%. It's worse in Malawi and also in Rwanda, and that's hurting our business there. But we are taking measures as responsible business people to respond to this inflationary pressure.
We've seen the stock exchange come down by 12%. We've also seen a rise in the yield curve by 97 basis points. As a result of that, we have recognized a fair value loss of 1.8 billion, but it's an improvement from what we had last year by 21%. Our profit before tax, incorporating all that I've mentioned, was up 193% to close at 2.38 billion. So very strong performance coming through for the half year.